Good morning, this is Mike at Wildcat Hollow Farm, and it's an electrical update. I am completely done with the back of the house upstairs with the exception of one circuit, and that's a dedicated point of use water heater circuit, and it can be put in when I get the water heater. But I had to learn and remember how to put in three-way switches again, because it's been a long time since I've done it. I got three-way switches on the bedroom. I got three-way switches in the office. Got three-way switches that go upstairs, downstairs for the stairwell. But I've checked every single receptacle. I've checked every single box with a meter. Everything is up to code, and that would be the National Electric Code. And this area does not have code standards, but I'm putting it in that way anyway because you get cheaper insurance rates. And it's safer, a lot safer. I'm going to take the camera off the stand here and walk you around a bit and show you. There we go. And everything is exactly at the appropriate height. The wiring all had to be drilled at the appropriate heights because none of these 2x4s had drills in them. The circuits, I've got temporary light fixtures in now, which are the old porcelains, but they were cheap and they work, and I can use them later in the shop after Petra picks out pretty ones. And here's the half of the double. Turn that light on. We can go over here to the entrance to the primary, or the primary entrance to the bedroom, and turn it off. Over here, this is going to have that big slide-in walk-through. I've got an outdoor hooked up. There's no light mount on it yet. The switch and the power's in. Yes, I have the ends of it taped off. No, nothing can get to it. I have the ground fault in. It's functional. Got temporary light there. I have a switch by the door frame on one side, and I have a switch by the door frame on the other side, but it's two different lights. This one goes to the ceiling light, and this one goes to the light over the vanity. Not going to have a light inside the shower stall. This one is close enough that it doesn't need to have one inside the shower stall because the top of that's going to be glass. Got a exterior switch here. No fixture yet. It's got power. Okay, I got one switch for the office light, which is up here. I still got to put it in the mount yet. The other switch for the office light is over here. This is a switch for the stairwell light. The other one's downstairs. I'll show you that in a bit. I have to get a USB charging receptacle to put in there. But I've got double duplex here for the office, and I'll take you downstairs now and show you the box down there. And this is the switch here for the stairwell, and I'm downstairs, and this is what a box is supposed to look like when you start wiring it. All nice and neat, lined out. That's where they're supposed to look. This, on the other hand, if you have an electrician do that, fire him, because that's not the way it's supposed to be. Those are my temporary circuits for this stuff here.